You don't have a speaking problem. You have a thinking problem. You've studied for years, memorized thousands of words, passed the tests. But the moment you open your mouth, your mind becomes a desert. Your heart races. Your mouth feels tight. The silence feels like an eternity. Here is the truth. You're doing everything right, and you're still failing. You're not bad at English. You are just training the wrong way. Most learners collect knowledge, but they never build power. If you don't break this cycle, you will stay a silent observer of your own life. Today, I am going to give you the 5 rules of real fluency. These aren't just tips. They are the system to finally set your voice free. The biggest mistake that destroys your fluency is trying to build a perfect sentence in your head. This makes speaking feel like a heavy, stressful test. You must realize this. Perfect English is slow English. Imagine a learner named Maria. She knows every grammar rule, but at a cafe she freezes. Her heart starts racing. While she's inside her head fighting with grammar, 10 seconds feel like 10 minutes. The other person walks away. Maria didn't fail because of her vocabulary. She failed because her thoughts were too heavy. Fix this and you'll improve. But ignore the next rule and you'll still freeze. The wake up. You open your eyes. Don't think of an essay, just think, I'm awake, I need water. The routine. You look at your cup. I want tea. The weather. You look out the window. Nice weather, it's fresh. Believing simple English is weak English. In reality, simple English is strong because it is fast. Look at one object near you. Think of a 3-word English sentence about it. Do it in 1 second. Why do you lose your breath and panic mid-conversation? Because you are trying to carry too much weight. You try to build bridges with because and therefore before you can even walk. Remember, clarity beats complexity every time. And this is where most learners hit a wall, even if they do everything right. The messy way. Yesterday, I went to the market because I needed things for my house, but I met my friend and we talked so I forgot what I wanted. The fluency way. Yesterday, I went to the market. I met my friend. We talked for a while. I forgot my shopping. Using book words to sound advanced. It just sounds robotic. Short sentences give your brain time to breathe. That pause is your power. But even if you master your breath, you'll never be fast until you use the shortcut in Rule 3. Describe your morning using only 4-word sentences. Use a pause between each one. Native speakers don't build sentences word by word. They use blocks that are already living in their mouths. Words make sentences. Chunks make speakers. Instead of I understand, use I get it or that makes sense. Instead of wait a moment, use give me a second. Instead of I don't know, use no idea. Searching for the right word instead of using a ready phrase. A learner who knows 5,000 words often speaks worse than a learner who knows 500 phrases. Phrases save your brain energy. And what I'm about to show you next is the difference between a student and a speaker. Pick the phrase, I'm on my way. Say it out loud with energy. You never have to build that sentence again. If you don't speak in 2 seconds, you lose the conversation. Silence is not safe. Silence is loss. Every second you stay silent, your confidence shrinks. Fluency is not built in perfect silence. It is built in messy, fast reactions. Think of David. He knows the grammar, but he stays silent because he is terrified of making a mistake. While he waits for perfection, the world moves on. You must change your mindset. Mistakes are the price of admission. The question, are you free? The fast reaction, not now, maybe later. Waiting until you are ready to speak. Confidence doesn't come first. Usage comes first. But there is one final step where fluency becomes inevitable. You don't need a foreign country or an expensive teacher. You have your mind and your voice. If you don't practice alone, you'll never perform in public. You don't wait for confidence, you build it in private. Talk to your room. Describe your life as you live it. I'm making tea. I'm starting work. Stop speaking like a robot. If you are happy, sound happy. Emotion makes your English human. Thinking you need someone else's permission to practice. Your home is your gym. Train there every day. This is the moment you stop being a silent learner and become a speaker. You don't need to be perfect to be powerful. Even native speakers forget words. They just don't stop. Imagine yourself 1 month from today. You aren't translating. You aren't afraid. You are simply connecting. Your voice was never missing. It was just waiting for you to use it. That version of you starts with one small, messy, fast thought. To lock in this new identity, go to the comments right now. Write one simple, 3-word sentence about how you feel. For example, I feel ready. This is your first official act as a speaker. Do it now, because the longer you wait, the harder it becomes to start.